This is the consecutive interpreting exam of module TR7082, Conference Interpreting EU-UN Context. This is the exam in English. Here is the context of the speech. The Director General of the World Health Organization is briefing the world about essential solidarity in the treatment of COVID-19 during a global virtual press conference. Here are the keywords: Swahili, Hindi, Zoom, solidarity, access to COVID-19 tools accelerator, World Immunization Week, the Solidarity Response Fund, the polio vaccination campaign. The speech is starting now. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. First of all, we are pleased to have simultaneous interpretation services available today, not only in the 6 UN languages, Russian, English, French, Spanish, Arabic, and Chinese, but also in Portuguese. The next languages will be Swahili and Hindi. For journalists following us on Zoom, please look for interpretation and switch to the channel you need. You are welcome to ask questions in one of those languages. As you can see, the WHO remains committed to providing access to as much information in as many languages as possible to reach every corner of the world. This is why we will continue to invest in multilingualism, because we are convinced that our strength is our diversity. Many of you listen to our press conference every day and hope for the day when we will confidently say that we have found a cure for COVID-19. Well, allow me to say that we already have the most important resource to fight COVID-19. That is solidarity. Solidarity, solidarity, solidarity. Today, I would like to focus on 3 examples that clearly demonstrate that solidarity is the strongest resource we have to make sure that no one misses out on life-saving vaccines, tests, or treatments. First of all, allow me to congratulate world leaders and partners for their powerful show of solidarity. Political leaders, public and private sector partners, civil society, academia, and all other stakeholders are joining their efforts to drive towards collective solutions. We are deeply grateful to report that, thanks to their collaborative approach, the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator was launched on Friday. The aim is to provide global access to safe, high-quality, effective, and affordable COVID-19 tests, treatment, and vaccines, so that no one is left behind. As you can see, once again, there is no doubt that we are stronger, faster, and more effective working together. The second example of outstanding international solidarity is immunization. This week is World Immunization Week. As we are waiting for the results of the COVID-19 immunization trials, we need to remember that immunization is one of the greatest success stories in the history of global health. Every year, more than 116 million infants are vaccinated. This represents 86% of all children born globally. But there are still more than 13 million children around the world who miss out on vaccination. We know that, unfortunately, this number will increase because of COVID-19. Already, polio vaccination campaigns have been put on hold in some countries. Routine immunization services are being shut down. Even where services are operating, some parents avoid taking their children to be vaccinated on account of concerns about COVID-19. The tragic reality is that many children will die as a result. Our ambitious goal is to immunize 300 million more children, with as many as 18 vaccines by 2025. To reach this goal, we need further funding. And once again, we are counting on the solidarity of all stakeholders in order to allow immunization to make a difference in the world as a whole. This is not an expense. It is an investment in the future of humanity. Thirdly, I would like to highlight the crucial role of the Solidarity Response Fund. Thanks to the generous recent contributions of the People's Republic of China, of Portugal, and of Vietnam, we have delivered millions of items of personal protective equipment to 105 countries. In addition, we are grateful to the more than 280,000 individuals, corporations, and foundations who have contributed to the Solidarity Response Fund, which has now generated more than $200 million. To conclude, I continue to appeal for the world to come together in solidarity to confront this pandemic, but also to prevent the next one and to build a healthier, safer, fairer world for everyone, everywhere. This virus will be defeated only if we are united. Solidarity, solidarity, solidarity. That's what we will continue to repeat every single day. Thank you.